Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 30 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So I believe that this operation may be quite tricky in this device because we do not have a usual battery section, but no worries, I'll show you how to manage it. So start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Power Marathon. Now let's scroll to the battery settings, and as you can see right here we've got the battery percentage option. We've got only one we've got only one option to choose from. Probably you've got it turned off, so you've got only the battery indicator, and after tapping on this switcher your device will apply the exact percentage inside the battery icon, and as I said, unfortunately this is the only option we can apply. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.